In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert your image into a PDF document. So as you can see on the screen here, we have our image file and we're now going to convert this into a PDF document. So what you need to do is just head over to an internet browser and then you need to launch up the Google website. Now once you're logged into your Google account, click on this square icon in the top right hand side and then we're just going to scroll all the way down this list and click on Docs. Select blank document, and then all we simply need to do is upload our image into this document. So to do that, click on Insert in the top navigation, click on Image and select Upload from Computer. Then just go and locate where your image file is saved. Once you've located your image file, just simply double click on it to upload it to the document. And then what you can do is resize this and reposition it on the page. Once you're finished, click on File in the top navigation, click on Download, and then select PDF document. And just like that, it's now going to go and download into our Downloads folder. So now if I open up this file like so, you can see we now have this PDF document with our image file. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.